Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. Today I wanted to introduce to you the AD line, which is the advanced decline line. It's an indicator, so let's learn about it. The AD line, or advanced decline line, it measures the breadth of participation in the stocks in an index, such as the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Dow, the New York Stock Exchange Composite Index, and so on. In other words, when the market goes up, is it because a lot of stocks are actually going up, and that's broad participation, or is it because only a few stocks are going up a lot while most stocks aren't going up at all? And that would indicate a lack of broad participation. In a healthy and sustainable market, it's going up because most of the individual stocks are advancing or going up, not just because a few stocks are carrying the market higher. So let's take a look at the formula for the advanced decline line. They take the number of advancing stocks, they subtract the number of declining stocks, and then they add that number to the previous period's advanced decline line number. So basically you get a running total because you're taking the number of advancers and subtracting the number of decliners and adding this to yesterday's number. So it's a running total. When the advanced decline line is going up, that indicates that more stocks are advancing. And when the advanced decline line is going down, that indicates that more stocks are declining. If the market is going up, but the advanced decline line is going down, that is a divergence and could be a bad sign for the market. You can use it as not your only indicator, but you can get a feel for which way the market might be headed. All right, so this is from stockcharts.com, and what I did was I plotted for the New York Stock Exchange Composite Index. I put the New York Stock Exchange Composite Index itself here at the bottom, and then I put the advanced decline line for the New York Stock Exchange Composite Index in green above it, right here. All right. So, but also as a reference, I put the index itself down here in black. And we can compare the two, and this is for the previous 6 months, the past 6 months. And as we can see, they've pretty much been moving in tandem, moving together. I don't see any particular divergences in the past 6 months. So when they're moving together, that's kind of business as usual. Things are behaving pretty normally. What I would be looking at for a warning sign, a possible warning sign, might be if the stocks or the index itself, if the market was going up with higher highs, higher lows, that kind of thing, or just steadily going up. And meanwhile, if the advanced decline line was going down at the same time, if we had this line going up and then the advanced decline line going down, then that might indicate to me that not a lot of stocks are participating in the rally, and so that's not broad participation, and that could be a warning sign. So that's something to look out for. And it could be the opposite way too. If you have the index or the market itself going down, and meantime, at the same time, if the advanced decline line were going up at the same exact time, that might indicate that there could be a turnaround in the making, because that would mean that more and more of the stocks in the index were advancing. And that could lead to the index itself, the market itself, advancing in the near future, possibly. But once again, please don't use this as your only indicator. Use your common sense, do your own research, and feel free to use a number of indicators for confirmation. All right, so that is a basic introduction to the advanced decline line, the AD line. I hope it was helpful to you. Feel free to check out all of my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have not done that already, I appreciate it, and I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up on YouTube and leave a comment. And if you need help with indicators, trading, investing, putting together a trading plan or an investing plan, because you really need to have one, you can contact me anytime. My email address is davidmodell, that's Moadel, @gmail.com. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it, and I'll talk to you again soon.